Hi guys, I'm back again, this time with an HP laptop that one of my friends over here has bought from Currys. That's an online store here in the UK. They've got retail outlets as well. So this particular laptop is a 14-inch Full HD laptop from HP, and it's got the 7th generation of Core i5 processors, 7200U to be precise. And the best part about this laptop, what I feel is the hard drive, which is a 256 GB SSD hard drive, but it is the M.2 variety, which is the fastest of the available lot and most expensive as well. Nonetheless, this was on sale and he was able to get this particular laptop at around £399. That's after discount. So that according to me is a nice deal. And as I mentioned, it's a 14-inch laptop, and this one is in red color. Let me quickly go ahead and show you as to what all ports are available on this one. So it's got the if I'm able to focus this is the SD card slot, and it's got 3 USB ports. One is 2.0 and the other two are 3.1. So this I believe is the old USB slot, and this is the Kensington lock port. Then on the other side we've got the Ethernet port, then HDMI out, and these are the two USB slots, 3.1, and we've got the the headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack, and this is the power cable input. And so in terms of slots, yeah, definitely there's no dearth of slots in here. So this is how the laptop looks when it's opened up. It's got a 720p camera on the front, which has nothing, I mean there's nothing much to write about it, like most of the front cameras. And it's got a nice speaker grill, as in the speaker output. It's got some B&O software, so they've got the B&O branding associated with this laptop, which is nice, and the speaker quality is good as well. And the keyboard is not backlit, but it's essentially a nice keyboard, as in the travel and the click wise it is very good. So probably from a Windows operating system point of view, it is one of the better keyboards available at this price point. And we've got a full trackpad with the right and left buttons, which is nice, and the trackpad itself has got is sensitive as well. I mean, you won't feel there is any lag or anything like that. And it came along with this 45-watt charger, not the 60-watt, but I guess that's good enough, because the battery life on this particular laptop is very nice as well. Now let me go ahead and quickly turn it on, and that will kind of indicate as to how quickly it starts up. 1, 2, 3. Boom. So it barely takes less than around 8 seconds or something like that to boot up, which is really cool. I've logged in into the system now, and as you can see, it's a 14-inch Full HD display. I'm not a technical person as such, as in I don't have much knowledge about the sRGB color gamut and whatnot, but for someone who would use it for browsing or surfing online and maybe watching videos on YouTube, this is a very nice laptop. And as I've previously recommended, always go for a laptop that has got a Full HD screen, and this one does have a Full HD screen, apart from the superb M.2 hard disk drive. It's got let me show you the system config. As I had mentioned earlier, it's got the 7th generation Core i5 processor, which is clocked at around 2.5 gigahertz. Again, that is technical jargon, I don't really delve much into that. It's got a 4 GB RAM that's installed on it, and for the purpose that rather the customers which this laptop would be catering to, I think that is good enough. This was it about this laptop. If you have any questions or queries, do let me know in the comment section below. I would be more than happy to help you with those. Please do hit the like button if you like this video, or the dislike button if you don't, and for more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel. For now, this is it. Goodbye for now, guys.